If you plan to collaborate on a project with musicians or producers who don't also use GarageBand, you're going to have to send them some or all of the tracks in your project so they can import them into their DAW of choice. How to go about getting these tracks out of GarageBand isn't exactly obvious, so in this video I'll show you how. Before sharing stems from your projects, an important point to know is that any effects you've added to your tracks will be baked in, and your tracks will be exported with no way to remove the effects after the fact. So if you want to share dry, unaffected tracks with a producer, for example, make sure to disable any plugins and or effects on any tracks you plan to share as stems. First off, here's how to export a single stem from a project. In GarageBand, select the track you want to export and then hit the solo button in its track's header. Activate the cycle region by clicking on the grey line above the ruler here. Then resize and position it so that it spans the length of the track that you're exporting. With that done, click on Share in the toolbar at the top of the screen and select Export Song to Disk. To make things easy, select your desktop as the outgoing destination, choose WAV as the file type, make sure the highest bit quality is selected, check the Export Cycle area box, and give your file a new name if you want to. Hit Export and your stem will be sent to your Mac's desktop. You can use this process to export multiple stems if you wish, or you can use the next technique to export them all at once. If your project only contains audio tracks, i.e. tracks that contain audio you yourself have recorded using an audio interface and microphone, for example, you can just skip this part. If your project contains MIDI tracks and or drummer tracks and you want to share them as stems, you'll first need to add the track lock option to your track headers. To do this, start by right or control clicking on any track and then selecting Configure Track Header from the menu. In the next menu that appears, click the checkbox next to Track Lock. You'll see the Track Lock icon has now appeared in the track headers of your project. So what you're going to do now is engage this Track Lock button only on the tracks that you want to export as stems. Once you've activated Track Lock, press play or hit the spacebar on your typing keyboard and your selected tracks will be frozen. When the freezing process is done, close GarageBand, then head to wherever you have the actual project file saved. It's in Music, then GarageBand for me, and right-click or control-click on the project file. Hit Show Package Contents in this menu, then click on Media, and then Freeze Files. Here you'll find all of the tracks you chose to freeze in .aif file format, and I can select and play them to hear them back. From here you can copy all your stems, paste them into a separate folder, for example, compress that folder by right or control clicking on the folder icon and selecting compress, and then you can send them on to whoever you are collaborating with. Let me know if you use this method to share stems or if there's another way that I'm not aware of down in the comments. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and hype it as well so that more people see it. I really appreciate it. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.